Cucumber rolls are a fresh and light snack, perfect as an appetizer or for a summer aperitif. You can fill them in many different ways, but I suggest a simple variant with an Italian twist, using flavored ricotta as a filling. Ingredients: 2 large cucumbers, 250 grams of ricotta, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, finely chopped fresh aromatic herbs, basil, mint, dill, or others of your choice, thin slices of prosciutto, optional, thin strips of sun-dried tomato for garnish, optional. Preparation: wash the cucumbers and slice them into very thin longitudinal slices, using a mandolin or a vegetable peeler. Prepare the filling by mixing the ricotta with the extra virgin olive oil, a pinch of salt and pepper. Add the chopped herbs and mix until you have a homogeneous and flavored compound. Spread the cucumber slices on a work surface and distribute some of the ricotta mixture on each, leaving about 2 centimeters on one of the short sides free to facilitate rolling. If you decide to use prosciutto, place a thin strip over the ricotta before rolling. Carefully roll up the cucumbers starting from the side opposite the free space. If necessary, you can secure the rolls with a toothpick. Garnish with a strip of sun-dried tomato to add an extra touch of color and flavor. Curiosity: in Italy, ricotta is widely used as an ingredient for stuffing vegetables and preparing fresh and light appetizers. The addition of aromatic herbs to the filling is a classic example of how Italian cuisine always tries to enhance the natural flavors of the ingredients, creating simple but taste-rich dishes.